This is Nothing Phone 2A. I started using this as my daily driver for more than a week now. There are so many good, bad and irritational feeling I noticed in this mobile, which I'll share in this video. Let's start first with the inbox contents. This is something different mobile package that I seen in the last few months. It's clean, simple and fun to unbox. Inside the box, you get the mobile followed by Type-C to Type-C cable and a SIM ejector pin. If you observe, there is no charger is provided in the box. I don't know why this no charger trend is spread to these mid-range category mobiles too. Come to the design, it's fresh and looking like other Nothing mobiles. On the back, it's transparent and made up of plastic. It's slippery in hand if you use it without back cases. The button placement is good on both sides. It's accessible for the fingers to control the volume up and down and the power button. This mobile comes with a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with a screen refresh rate of 120Hz. This panel goes up to a peak of 1300 nits of brightness, which is sufficient to use in daytime outdoor conditions. This is an HDR10 Plus certified screen and the viewing angles are good and it produces 1 billion colors that result in crisp and good picture quality. Also, this is a flat screen with symmetrical bezels all over it. I personally like these type of features. I don't want bezels to be in like abnormal sizes. This display is protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and the back is totally made up of with plastic. There is no issue with the display. It's good overall. Come to the main component of any smartphone is the processor. This mobile is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro chipset. This is a 4nm build chipset. The day-to-day performance is good without having any issues at all. Even it can handle the most demanding games. I played games on this mobile for about more than 1 hour continuously. I didn't notice any lags or frame drops. This processor is great in terms of utilizing the battery and giving the most performance from it. Also, you will get a cooling chamber in this one. This is like an added feature to cool down the mobile. And also in this price range, you won't see the cooling chambers in almost all the mobiles. So there are no overheating issues in daily usage. The performance is good, the battery efficiency is good and no lags while playing games. Even I didn't notice any network issues in this mobile. Also, I tried to edit and export the simple 4K video by using the VN editor, which is a mobile application for video editing purpose. Yes, you can use this mobile for video editing things also. It works flawlessly. I did thermal throttling for about 20 minutes and no over throttling issues are there. So overall, a great processor for a great price. It is matching all the segments. You never disappoint the performance and the battery backup in this one. Come to the cameras. On the back there are 2 and on the front it is 1. The back 2 cameras are 50 megapixels. These cameras performs well in the daytime with good lighting conditions. The overall photo quality as well as the colors it produces after taking the shots are good. You can take ultra wide angle photos with 114 degrees field of view. Coming to the videos, you can record a maximum of 4K 30 FPS by using the back cameras. The video quality is okay but not like flagship level. On the front, it's a 32 megapixel camera and the selfies are okay in good lighting conditions, but during the night time, both cameras, front and back, struggles a lot. The back camera is at least looking okay for taking the photos in nighttime conditions because it is having dedicated night shot, dedicated video also, but it's not like very high quality. With the front camera, you can shoot a videos of maximum 1080p 60 fps, but there is no 4K video recording option is there for the front camera. Overall, in a single sentence, the camera performs well in daytime with good lighting conditions, but in dull or nighttime conditions, it's not good. Also, while using the camera, the area around the camera, like this area, is getting warmer, but it's not overheating. I already posted a dedicated video related to camera, gaming, battery draining, charging test and more related to this mobile. You can check those video links in the description box. It really helps you to finalize whether it is a good mobile or not for you. Alright, Coming to the battery and charging, this mobile comes with a 5000 mAh capacity. The maximum charging speed it support is 45 watts and there is no wireless charging support is there in this one. According to Nothing, this mobile charges from 0 to 50% by using the 45 watts charger in just 23 minutes. But in my testing, it took around more than 25 and below 30 minutes. The battery backup is good in this mobile and even the processor is not a power hungry one. If you use it for normal things, it lasts for more than one single day. Coming to screen on time, and also this screen on time depends and varies from one person to another person. Just mind it. So in my usage, I'm getting in between 7 to 8 hours of screen on time in continuous usage, which is quite impressive. Also, I tested the standby time. It blew my mind. I kept this mobile in idle condition during entire night. Only 2% it dropped, which is good. If you use heavily, maybe by evening onwards, you need to charge this mobile. But overall, this is like a one complete day mobile phone. Coming to software updates and experience, out of the box, this Nothing Phone 2a comes with Android 14 and recently I received the Nothing OS 2.5. This Nothing OS is something different than the usual Android smartphone experience. There is no bloatware on the mobile. Also, there is no distraction while using this mobile. The app icons are simple and clean. There are no colors at all. That means there is no distraction. If in case you are not in a creative field, maybe you don't know how the colors change the mood and build curiosity. That's why if you observe the most of the apps icons, they are in red or orange color. Initially, right after the unboxing, I felt a little bit irritated while using this mobile. I wondered why these icons were like this and how can I use this mobile. But after using it for some couple of hours, I'm totally impressed and I see the clear differences of using a normal mobile phone and this Nothing phone. Trust me, there are no distractions at all if you use this Nothing OS. Coming to software update policy, this mobile is supported for 3 years of major Android updates and 4 years of security patch updates, which is quite good for long-term users. Up to now, the updates are also on time for Nothing mobiles, but right now there are only limited models, so that's why they are pushing the updates on time. If you take after 2 or 3 years, I don't know whether they are going to release the same speed as of right now. Coming to some extra features, this mobile is supported for IP54 splash, water and dust resistant. 13 5G bands are supported in this one. The sound quality from the stereo speakers are loud and you feel that loudness. The glyph lighting is good and even they given a dedicated torch light as well. But the glyph lighting is not that much brighter than the torch. You can connect any external hard disk to this mobile and copy the data also. There is no issue at all. This one is supported for USB Type-C 2.0 speeds. NFC option is also available and there is no 3.5 headphone jack support is there in this one. Not everything in the universe is perfect. Everything has its own pros and cons, but the ratio differs. Like that, in this Nothing Phone 2a also has some problems. The first thing I noticed was the back panel. It's so slippery and the surface attracts a lot of dust and grease like crazy. If you use the back cases, yes, maybe you eliminate this, but mobiles are good to use without the back cases for me. And one more thing, if I want to clear the background running apps all at once, I click on the recent apps tray button and then click on the clear all. But in this mobile, instead of clear all, you get the screenshot option. Out of 10, 9 times I accidentally clicked the screenshot button and took a lot of screenshots. If you want to clear all the apps, you need to swipe all the apps from left to right and there you see the option clear all. Even I tried to find any setting is there to change this, but I didn't get anything. Let me know in the comments if you have any solutions for this. For whom this mobile is actually good. This mobile is great for those who are looking a all-rounder mobile under 25,000 rupees price range with great features. This is a great mobile for the price you are paying and the specifications you are getting. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video and this is an unbiased review.